When completing both plant checks and bi-weekly checks, we've got two places here: cold floor brine tank level and heat floor brine tank level. So in taking these measurements, a lot of people will do this by climbing up this ladder that I installed using these handrails with the orange on them. If you're not able to reach with your hand and just feel for where the level is, where it gets cold, and you don't want to climb up using the handrails that are installed, what you can do instead is use this little infrared gun. And so you'll see, so right now it's showing the temperature of the tank 9 degrees Celsius, and actually if you switch it to Fahrenheit, it'll give you it'll be more obvious how big a jump there is. So here we're looking 15 degrees, and then you move it up, and then all of a sudden it jumps up to 18. So that's a clear indication of what level the brine is sitting at. And that's a lot easier than having to climb up, especially for the heat floor, which is a little bit harder to get to. You can do the exact same thing. Just run the sensor. You see where that laser is? You just run that down the side of the tank and just look for the temperature difference. So see it colder, warmer. The heat floor, it might not be as noticeable if the floor isn't running or hasn't run for a while, because the brine will come in to be closer to the ambient temperature of the room, and then you'll have less of a temperature differential. So if you just switch the pump to hand and let it run for a bit, that'll cool the brine off, and then you'll see that temperature difference a lot clearer. If you have any questions, let me know. The new infrared sensor is just going to be stored in this little cup here right beside the pens.